Pre-reading. Meet Eugenie. Eugenie Clark was an ichthyologist, which is a marine biologist, who studies different species of fish. She is known for both her research on shark behavior and her study of fish. She is the first person to train sharks. That's amazing. Think and talk. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer the following questions. What do you know about sharks? How do you feel about sharks? Go. All right, we're going to wrap that conversation up in 3, 2, 1. Moving right along. Set a purpose. Eugenie loved sharks her entire life, but many told her that a girl should find a different job. Listen to find out what choices Eugenie made for her life. So on the next slide, you're going to click to read this story.